In this video, we are going to see about the basic concepts of Google Cloud Storage, and I am also going to help the people who are preparing for Google Cloud certification exam on how to answer questions that comes in the concept of Google Cloud Storage. Okay, Google Cloud Storage is a cloud storage that is being offered in Google Cloud platform to store non-relational data such as document, images, videos, etc. Okay, so how these type of files are getting stored in Google Cloud Storages? There are four different types. One is standard, the other one is nearline, cold line, and archive. Standard is standard way of storing and retrieving your data. Nearline is if you want to access the data in less than 90 days frequently, then you go for nearline storage. You don't want to access the data frequently in less than 90 days and greater than 90 days, then you go for cold line. Archive is if you want to store historical data, you can go for archive. Okay, where these data will be getting stored, it will be stored either in a single region or dual region or multi-region. Single region in the sense it will be located in a single geographical region. Dual region in the sense it will be present in two different geographical region. Multi-region, your data will be stored in more than two region. Okay, and control access is another concept in Google Cloud Storage. You can restrict the access of the objects that is getting stored in Google Cloud Storage. So when you store data or something inside the Google Cloud Storage, it is called as objects. So there are two type of ways in which you can control the access. One is fine grained and another one is uniform. Fine grained is you can give object level access. For example, each and every object inside the Google Cloud Storage can be restricted with the level of access. Uniform in the sense like access will be given bucket level. So whatever the access you have given for the bucket, it will be applicable for all the objects in that bucket. But that doesn't mean that whatever the access level you give for objects will not be applicable for bucket with respect to fine grained. Okay, there is another concept called retention policy. Retention policy in the sense like how long you wanted to store this particular data in the Google Cloud Storage. The final and important concept which is in Google Cloud Storage is object lifecycle management. Object lifecycle management help the user to move data from one type of storage to another type of storage. It can be in any ways you can move the data. Okay, and the command Google Cloud command that is being used for Google Cloud Storage is gsutil. It is completely different from other Google Cloud commands. Okay, this is a basic concept of Google Cloud Storage. And if you see the availability, wherever you store, the availability is 99.9%. And with respect to cost, we will see it in scenario basis. Okay, now what kind of questions you will be getting in certification exam is, for example, you are storing the data in a standard way and you wanted to your user is in multiple geographical region, and the data will be accessed frequently in less than 90 days. Then what kind of storage you have to move? In the sense like what you have to do is you can move from standard to nearline where the data can be accessed less than 90 days frequently. Okay, so if you ask me whether can we do that in a standard, yes, you can do that, but that is not come under cost effective and Google's recommended practice. Okay, Google's recommended practices, if you want to store data and access those data in a less than 90 days frequently, then you have to go for nearline, and greater than 90 means cold line, and archive means if you want to store any data that is that you wanted to store for longer period of time, then you go for archive. One important question that will come in your certification exam is, for example, if you want to store your backup data, what type of storage you have to choose? Then you can go for archive. When you don't have an option for archive, you can go for cold line. So these two are, you can use either one. If two options are present, then please go for archive. So this is the basic concept, and these are the questions that will come in your Google Cloud examination, and you will get a lot of questions with respect to region wise, which is a cost effective with respect to region wise. Single is a cost effective, dual is bit costlier, multi-region is much more costlier than dual and single. Okay, so you need to choose the scenario. First you need to see where from where the data is going to get accessed. So if it is in a global geographical region, go for multi, and how the data is going to be accessed, for that you need to type of storage. Like nearline, cold line, or archive. Where, how, and what kind of access is control access. Okay, and object lifecycle questions that comes under object lifecycle management will always be like movement of one type of storage type to another type of storage. So you need to be very careful with respect to lifecycle management questions, where you need to choose which type of concept will be cost effective for you. Okay, so I wish this video might be useful for you. If you have any questions that are related to Google Cloud Storage, kindly post it in the comment section. I'll be happy to answer it. Thank you so much and have a great day.